mighty glad you stayed.
It's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. Yeah, baby. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed. Midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I packed up my troubles and I'm throwing them all away, 'cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. On you, I got this feeling that